Hey everyone, Chris Roma here, aka Roma Aquatics, and today we got an unboxing from my local fish store. Something I said I wasn't gonna get, but I got them, and I'll explain later. So here we go. Okay. So in this bag that came from this place in North Tonawanda, I got something that I said I would never get, and the reason I got them is because the price was right. Again, I got rid of some of my frog bit and I took it in there, and they gave me a discount towards these guys. Yellow Neocaridina, so yellow neons. I said I wasn't going to get them because I have yellow King Kongs, and I've heard from Rob over at Flip Aquatic that there's a that they don't breed as well as the normal neons do. So I normally wasn't gonna get them, but I decided I'm gonna get them. The price was right, and they honestly look beautiful. On the way home, I was like, why didn't I look closer to make sure they weren't yellow King Kong? But it looked like one of them was buried. She's only holding about 3 berries on her right now, and 2 of them actually look almost clear, which I know wasn't the case in the pet store. So this guy right over her looks a little bit clearer than he was in the pet store. But anyway, let's get these guys in a specimen container and get a closer look at them. So here we go. We have a specimen container. A lot of people ask about this in the comments, where do I get these? I just found this on Amazon. I think it was like 10 bucks. Just search for specimen container and it'll come up. You could also get them at your local fish store. They order them through their suppliers, and a lot of times they'll have extra that if you just ask, they'll sell them to you. I've actually bought these from PetSmart and Petco, and you know, they actually that's a lie. I haven't bought them. I've asked where I can get them, and they've gone and given them to me for free. A couple that had cracks or something that they didn't use, but are of use to me. But anyways, let's get these guys in the container. So I always go drop and plop into the container, even though a lot of people are scared to, and that's because sometimes it goes bad. That's why people are scared to. Sometimes the shrimp gets stuck in the bag, and you know, you gotta panic and you gotta do what you gotta do, but it all comes with the package, and I like to share the full experience with you guys. So here we go. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting the bag in, and I'm cutting off as majority of the plastic. And the reason I cut most of the plastic off is because all of this would have just been extra area for the shrimp to get caught in if I dumped out that water. You know, if you dump out the water, now the shrimp can be caught in there. Now don't got to worry about that much more of the bag to get them to get caught in. So now once I'm at this stage, I like to just turn it over slowly so that the shrimp go with them. Make sure you got none in that corner, and then kind of go a little bit faster. And now you can see there's water. Let me see if I can zoom in here for you guys. You can see there's water and the bag in here, and then you can kind of just slowly rotate it. And I see one's wanting to stay in the corner, so I just kind of jiggle the bag and coax them over. Now they're all there, all out of the bag, and that actually went quite well.